All right, guys, we're back again. And today we're going to be talking about the real cost of suffering alone. We talk about the lies that we've been taught as men and how, you to be a man, you got to do it alone and you can't ask for help and all the other foolishness like that. But what's the real cost of suffering alone? What's the real cost of you not seeking help? What's the real cost of you struggling in your mind and fighting off suicide and all these things like that? What's the true cost of your emotions never being met, your emotional needs never being filled? What's the true cost of that, of suffering alone, stuffing the emotions down day after day after day, fighting off breakdown day after day after day, being hit in the face over and over again, wanting love so bad but can't even ask for it because you feel you're not allowed to. You've been conditioned to believe you're not allowed to. What is the cost of that? And I would say, it's almost like that scene from the Avengers when, Gamora, the child Gamora, was talking to Thanos and she asked him, what did it cost, right, to get the Soul Stone? She said, what did it cost? And he said, everything. Everything. Because here's the thing, guys, us suffering alone, everything connected to us suffers. Your marriage suffers. Your kids suffer. Your work performance suffers. You at the job, the people that are dependent on you suffer. The customers you serve suffer. Your community suffers. Everything connected to you suffers when we do this alone, when we struggle alone. And I already told you, I'll tell you time and time again, God never intended for us to be by ourselves. He said it's not good for man to be alone. And even if you don't believe in God, it doesn't matter because we have living proof and evidence that it's not good to be alone in the pandemic. When everyone was isolated and alone, we got to see how bad things really got. We're not designed to be alone. We're not designed to suffer in silence and suffer alone. We're not designed for that. And if we stay in that state, guess what's going to happen? Everything around us and everyone around us is going to suffer and going to pull everyone down around us. But because we have to hold on to the lie, what do? We double down on our efforts, don't we? It's not enough, right? Things aren't changing. I'm not feeling any better. My marriage is still suffering. My money's still suffering. My kids are still suffering. So let me just continue to go it alone and just give more of what I don't even have myself. More energy, more thought process, more whatever. You don't even have it for yourself. But that's the mentality we have when we keep running in circles and wondering why nothing's changing, why it's not getting better, why the pain just keeps compounding year after year after year. And the questions keep coming like, why am I even here? Why am I even doing this? Because we believe the lie that if I was enough, my wife would respect me, or if I was enough, my kids would love me, or if I was enough, my bank account would reflect it, or if I was enough, I would have friends. Like, we have these lies in our mind that I'm not doing enough. I don't have enough value. I'm not good enough. And so what do? Because we feel we're not good enough, we don't seek for help. We don't seek for guidance. We don't seek to open up. We don't seek to vent. Keep it all in. Because why? We're not enough. So the lie that we're not enough, it goes into everything that we experience, everything that we go through. And it kills us. It's killing us. Because we feel because we're not enough, we shouldn't be asking for love. Because we're not enough, we're not good enough. We don't have enough value. We don't produce enough. Because of that, I should be able to handle it myself. Look at all those other guys. They all got it together. They can handle it themselves. They don't have any problems. Their life is perfect. Their marriage is perfect. So it's just got to be me. It's not it, man. You're out here suffering alone for no reason at all. Because there are places you can go. There are groups you can attend. There are therapists you can go to. You can get help. You don't have to suffer alone. And take it from me, someone who suffered alone for many, 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 many years. And I promise you, it doesn't get better by struggling alone. That pain, that hurt, that depression, that desire to not be here anymore, it doesn't go away You can distract yourself for a little bit of time, but it doesn't go away. You need to find someone you can trust and go to and open up and just say, I'm going through it. I'm struggling. I don't know if I'm going to make it. So we can put our arms around you and say, bro, hey, don't even worry about it, bro. We got you. We understand. See, because when you come to me and say that, I got it, I understand. Listen, bro, I got it. I understand, man. I don't like to feel like you're not loved, you're not appreciated, nobody wants you. I get that. I understand that. Like you have no value, no worth, like nothing you do is ever good enough. Bro, I got you. I understand that, bro. Let's walk through it. Bro, but ultimately, you don't gotta suffer alone. You don't have to pay that price. I've already paid that price. Many other men have already paid that price. Bro, you going through right now, you don't got to pay that price. It's already paid in full. Jesus Christ, when he was on that cross going up, guess what? He also paid that price because he suffered alone. You don't got to do it, bro. If you're watching this video right now, I'm telling you right now, you do not have to suffer alone. You don't have to pay that cost. You don't got to do that. Yo, reach out for help. Come back. I got more videos coming out. Man, I know this is a little bit different format from what I'm normally doing, but guys, this is too serious for me to be smiling and kikiing in your face and nah, man, this is serious. Lives are on the line. So if you need help, reach out. All my stuff is in the description below, but if you don't want me, then get somebody. Get somebody. But do not suffer alone, because guess what? Not only do you have to pay that cost, but everyone that connected to you has to pay that cost as well. And it's unnecessary because it's already been paid. Y'all come back for the next one.